In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type on both sides of a Google Doc. It's a super straightforward thing to do, but make sure you watch the video the whole way through to ensure you get every step correct. Let's get right into it. Okay, so first things first, we need to load up our Google Doc like this. And once you've gone ahead and loaded it up, what we want to do is we want to go up to the top where this little ruler bar is here. And we want to go ahead and right click on this. Now once we've right clicked on it, we can go down to where it says add right tab stop. Just like that. So from here, I'd recommend starting off on the left side and writing some text. So I'll put hello tutorial. And then we want to go ahead and press the tab key on our keyboard. And that will go over to the right side. So I can type in right side. And you can see there it's now going from the right. Now, if you want to change how far over it is, you can go up to the top on this ruler bar here. And you can click the little arrow and drag it along. And that's going to basically change the margin on that side. So if you want to have it far in, you can move it into the middle. Or if you want it far over the side, you can do it like that all the way over to there. And then from there, you can just click on the left side and you can type some stuff. And then you can press tab or just click on the other side. And it's going to alternate between the two. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to like and subscribe. And also comment down below that it did help so other people can watch the same video and get the same great advice. Thank you for watching.